So this is it just hand moves or is it
Hand moves.
like what? I'm not able to put these together at that speed yet. Is that just
Yeah. Well, I'm going to show you, this is like, when you go to Paris and they give you a tour of the sewers, show you what's going on underneath. Okay. Notice, I'd like you to play just the following for me. Play the C's on the first beat in both hands. And now, play just the B in the right hand and the B flat in the left hand. You hear that B against the B flat? Right, so that's the first thing that's going to feel wrong about this if you do it correctly.
Okay.
So start that measure slowly and see now if you can have that be part of the sound. Now, why don't you come to a rest on this chord and the D. That should also sound incorrect. Not as badly incorrect as the D, right? Because you'd rather, it'd be nicer if it were that note. But it isn't, it's that note. Yes. Now it makes sense there. Now a dissonance. Dissonance. You got it now, Darren. It's more the ear. It's the ear telling us that we're wrong when we're actually right.
Okay.
The ear gives us feedback. We think we're wrong, and we just physically try to do something else to make it sound right. But actually, we're making it go incorrectly rather than correctly.